Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to put reminders on iPhone. Go to reminders. From here, tap on the bottom left corner, tap new reminder. From here, title, set your title, such as I'm going to set as birthday. Wish me a good birthday, and tap details. From here, set your date, and from here set your time, and yeah, tap add. Go to reminders and tap on this. So this is how you can put reminders on iPhone. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.